Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a trader looking to level up your game in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to connect Ninjatrader to Interactive Brokers. This setup is a game changer because it lets you execute trades directly from your charts, saving you time and reducing errors. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this step-by-step guide will get you connected quickly and efficiently. First things first, make sure you have the latest versions of both Ninjatrader and an Interactive Brokers account. You'll need your IB credentials handy, like your username and password, plus any API keys if required. This ensures a smooth connection process. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Launch Ninjatrader on your computer. Head over to the Connections tab in the top menu. It's usually under Tools or File. Here, you'll see a list of supported brokers. Select Interactive Brokers from the options. Step 2. Once selected, a setup window will pop up. Enter your Interactive Brokers username and password. Don't forget to enable any two-factor authentication if prompted, security first, right? Then, configure your connection settings, like server address or port, based on IB's guidelines for 2025. These might have updated, so double-check on the IB website. Step 3. Hit the Connect button and wait for the system to verify. If everything's set up correctly, you'll see a successful connection message. If not, check for common issues like firewall blocks or incorrect credentials. Ninjatrader often has built-in troubleshooting tools to help. Finally, test your connection by placing a dummy trade or checking your account balance within Ninjatrader. Once confirmed, you're good to go. This integration will streamline your trading workflow and give you real-time data. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!